Overkill.
Military training. Honestly, if you say head count, we
Makes sense. Makes sense. Just swim it now!
Are you guys into practice?
Yep. Thank you, Rescue Ranger. We're just gonna let him drown, thanks. They should have said no. Save us.
One left.
I know I'm in the last boat.
Did you want to do it too? If you want to potentially go.
Well, that's what they're saying. I will do it with you. But what they told me is if you, as long as you've done the single, then you're okay.
So do you know if you have to do the two?
You plan on doing it too this year?
If it were me, I would like to flip every boat that I plan on paddling, personally.
David yelled. There's been some really soft landings.
4, 3, and 4. Going as it's going over. Hold it up and gently come down with it. I think we did.
Yeah. It prevents the slamming.
I don't know, but we got a timestamp on here. We can check later. 2 minutes. Yeah, time. I don't mind.
Yeah, I know.
So I had 203. Just it doesn't really matter.
Get people paddling as soon as you can. At least 2 people.
Okay, speed 1, 2, toss your bailers back and paddle back.
And it's being.
And take it away.